Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Optimize your profile by using a clear profile picture, writing a compelling bio that describes who you are and what you offer, and adding a link to your best content. This makes a strong first impression when people visit your page. Step 2. Post consistently with a schedule. Aim for at least 3 to 4 times per week, and use trending audio and hashtags relevant to your niche. Consistency keeps your audience engaged and the algorithm favors active accounts. Step 3. Create engaging content by using Reels and short-form videos since they get the most visibility. Ask questions in your captions to encourage comments, and use trending sounds that match your content style. Step 4. Engage authentically by spending time each day liking and commenting on posts in your niche, responding to every comment on your own posts, and joining trending challenges that align with your brand. This builds real connections and increases visibility. Step 5. Use strategic hashtags by researching niche-specific hashtags with moderate engagement, mixing popular and smaller hashtags for better reach, and creating a branded hashtag for your followers to use. This helps people discover your content through search.